Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Policygenius comparison workflow for life insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To install Policygenius comparison workflow for life insurance, begin by visiting the Policygenius website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the process. You will be directed to a questionnaire that gathers basic information about your insurance needs. Fill out the required fields with your personal details such as age and health conditions. After completing the questionnaire, submit your responses. The system will generate a list of life insurance options tailored to your profile. Review the options carefully to understand the coverage and costs. Select the policies you want to compare. You will now enter the comparison workflow, where you can see side-by-side analysis of the chosen policies. Take note of key factors such as premium amounts, coverage limits, and additional features. If you wish to dive deeper into any specific policy, click on it for more detailed information. Once you've made your comparisons, decide which policy meets your needs best. If you're satisfied, click on the Apply Now button next to your chosen policy. Follow the prompts to start the application process. Prepare any required documentation such as identification and proof of income. Submit your application to the insurance provider through the platform. You will receive confirmation regarding the status of your application via email. If necessary, be prepared for a follow-up call or additional questions from the insurance company. Once your policy is approved, you'll receive your coverage documents. Review your documents to ensure all information is accurate. Now you are fully equipped with your life insurance coverage through Policygenius. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.